Hey, what's up, you guys? Sorry about the damn dogs. It was a dog running around and now they're all acting wild. But I got a 2005 Honda Accord. I have uploaded a video a while back. Crank but won't start. And so my problem was that people kept saying that it was the key fob, and it wasn't. Like I showed you in the video. I just had this done because I needed an extra key because this is the only one because I messed up the door thing over there. But that's another thing. So it wasn't starting. It kept blowing the ECU fuse. So if you keep blowing your ECU fuse and your IGP fuse, that's the first one down here in this section, and then up here. So there's a video. I'm not gonna post it, but so what happened was my ground started smoking. And the car wouldn't turn over. I had changed the camshaft sensor, all the sensors. I had already changed them before that happened. So I had this one right here. I'll show you guys real quick. Number 15, this first one, which is for the ECU, I believe. And then I have the IGP sensor that's down here in the box, which would be the first one. There's also a relay down there for the starter, and there's also another relay down there for the ignition. So I did all that, checked that everything was good. Turns out what was exactly wrong with it was the throttle body. Not this sensor, but the one, I'm not sure where it's at. No, it's the other one. There's two of them that are on here. But I changed this out, and as you can see, like, there's a junkyard mark on it. Because I bought a brand new one, and it didn't do nothing, and it didn't do nothing with this. So I ended up changing the actual throttle body, and then I put the new one on it, and it solved the problem. So I took the new one off and put this one on her, and it worked, so I just left it on there. But there's another one on here. I'm not sure if it's down here somewhere, but I changed it out, and this is what was the problem on mine, unfortunately. And then I changed my ground, but that's what the problem was on mine. I know the other video, it cut off before I actually could go back up over here and tell you guys. I had to write it in the comment, but if your car's not starting, you change your camshaft sensor or crankshaft sensor, and it's still doing the same thing, and you keep blowing the ICU fuse and your or ECU, I mean, and your IGP fuse. If you keep blowing both of them,